It's a few days later. Now I did get the bubble and the charger clean. But as soon as I finished cleaning them, that night it started raining. And it's been raining every day since. And we had a mean thunderstorm come through here last night. I know y'all can see all the debris in the road. Power kept cutting out. Swapping the sunroof out. As y'all can see, that baby is up. Yeah, look at that big ass tree that came down and hit my car, man. I had the match part right here last night. Damn, tree limb was all over the mat. But yeah, this is up and it's letting in water. I mean, I can see right inside the car right there. And I say it rained hard as hell last night. It rained hard as hell, boy. I thought a tornado or something was coming through here. But boom. As y'all can see, we got water in here. And that is not good. No, sir. No, sir. So, go ahead and vacuum that on. I'm glad it still got that black stuff in there, because if it had carpet in there, oh man, that shit would be destroyed. But thankfully, it still got that black stuff in there. That rubberized floor mat, carpet, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and snatch this roof up out of here and put that other one in here so this baby can seal back up. Cause this roof done been in here for a couple years now, and this don't happen. This do not happen. No, sir. I gotta redo that headliner anyway. I got a G6 headliner and another Bubble Caprice headliner in the storage. And I gotta figure out how I'm gonna make them babies into one. Got a couple of ideas, but it's about time to start back experimenting. And I'm about to, when I go get the kids today, we're gonna go get that new roof out of the storage. Damn, cat scared the shit out of me. Just ran under the bubble, came out of nowhere. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get that roof out of the storage and go and swap that out. No, sir. Cannot be taking in water. But yeah, man, the bubble look good, cleaned up, man. Got all the wheels the same color, threw a little tie shine on that baby. And then she taking in water. But this what I got right here, this what I gotta figure out. So as you see, I got the stock G6 headliner right there. And up under that is a stock Caprice headliner. So I gotta figure out a way to combine these. So when I put it back up in there, it'll fit almost perfect, you know what I'm saying? That's gonna take some finessing. I'm gonna figure it out though. I'm gonna figure it out. I got 2 of the G6 headliners and 1 Caprice. I could have grabbed another. I should have grabbed that other Caprice when I had the chance, just so I can have the material to practice with. But yeah, I just want to show y'all that right quick. Damn, look at that spider, yo. Look at that spider. Man, it be hella spiders and shit. I need to bring my broom up here. I need to bring one to keep in here. That way when I come up here, I can sweep that shit. Man, that shit just icked me the fuck out. But yeah, I'm gonna grab this roof. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there so she can be sealed up. I'm gonna come back and get this later so I can figure that out. But I think I can do it. I think I can make it happen. Probably cut like most of this G6 one off. Just keep them. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we're gonna come back to that in the future. But yeah, I'll cut y'all back on once I'm taking the other roof out, slapping this one in. Let's get it. All right, it's time to take the sunroof out of here. Swap it out. Snatch this headline up out of here first. Let's go and get the sunroof up out the way. Like I said, this baby taking on water when it rains. And I believe it's because of this. You can see the seal bent all up. Water will be able to go right behind the seal. So yeah, I'm gonna get this up off of here. I got another one that I'm gonna throw in here on the back of my truck. Just go ahead and get this out of the way. But yeah, I'm gonna start by getting the headline out of there. I got some new sun visors too. I'm gonna get rid of this headliner, but I'm gonna use it for a template so I can cut out the hole for the new headliner. But I'm gonna use this one for a template so I'll be able to match it up the correct way. So yeah, boy, we're gonna get it right. We're gonna get it right. Well, I'm gonna cut y'all back on to get my tools and stuff together and start snatching that baby out. Let's get it. Alright, so I got the headliner out. So I'm not gonna get rid of this one just yet. I'm gonna use it for a template for why I need to connect the G6 headliner to the Caprice headliner. I can use this for a template of where I need to cut out on the Caprice headliner. So yeah, well, exactly where I need to get the G6 headliner to line up at, cause that's perfect. Well, y'all think I'm gonna use this for a template, so I ain't gonna trash it just yet. I did a decent job on it. So this is just a stock Caprice headliner. I tried to make the hole for it myself and use like some fiberglass to extend it up to go up under the sun, to tuck under the sunroof, but it ain't work out quite right. So I been had this on the agenda to redo that. But like I said, the sunroof stuck open and I can't get it to open fully, so I'm gonna go ahead and snatch it out of there. Yeah. We're gonna go ahead and get that up out of there. Yes, sir. I should have painted the shade on the other one before. As long as I don't have it, I could have been done that. Just make sure I paint the shade before I try to put the new headliner in. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and snatch this out. Slap the other one in. That way she can be sealed up. I get them car seats out my way. So the easiest way to get this baby out is once I get it screwed down, just turn it on the side and take it out the top. Take it straight through the hole. Slide the new one in there just like that. Take all my drains off first. Damn, all my drains look good. Yeah, snatch all my drains off first. We'll get it up out of there. Boy, the mosquitoes out here. All right, now let's get it up out of here. Gotta use my muscles now. Damn, so gotta pull it out that top. Then sit the other one in there. I'm gonna get my baby to help me line the other one up so I can start screwing it. I'll probably hold it up and let her screw it. But yeah. Yes, sir. Nothing to it but to do it, boy. Alright, so I already got the old one out. Now I got the replacement sitting in the car. Just gonna need some help lifting that baby up. Let me get my lady out here to help me lift it up in there. Got my drill right there. All the screws are already in it, except for one. The one that go in the middle right there, the little piece that hold the bolt in, it broke. So I'm gonna try to finesse that once I get it in. See if I can put a washer up there and get that one to go in. But yeah, man. Yes, sir. See that little piece in the back right there? This might have been part of my problem too. That little piece right there, when I installed the roof, I never welded this down, so that part was flapping. It was flapping, so I hit it with 3 self-tapping screws, make sure it don't go nowhere. And the screws did not come through the paint or through the top. They were small, just good enough to hold that in there tight. But yeah, that's where I'm at with it. Quick little update before we screw it in. All right, we got that baby in there. YouTube. We back. No more gaps in the back. Everything flush, baby. Yes, sir. Get them squirrels going crazy. They tripping. I just took some to the dump, so one jumped out as soon as I got to the door. But yeah, got that baby back in there. I got the arm all the way open, baby. Let's go. Yes, sir. Yeah. I gotta paint this shade. I ain't gonna mess with it for now, but yes, sir. We got 1 open, 2 open, 3 open, open all on. But yeah, YouTube, man, that's gonna conclude this. I just had to swap that baby out right quick. Like I said, I ain't gonna worry about the headliner right now. I gotta work my magic with the headliner, and then it's about time to go ahead and paint this baby. So I'll probably have to drop the roof out again when it's time to paint them. So I ain't even gonna put the headliner back in just yet. So I don't want to have to fight with that again. And I'll be having to bend that baby up to get it in and out. I want to get this windshield replaced. So fingers crossed, if I have my way, when I make the new headliner after I paint it and everything, this windshield will be out so I can be able to just slide the new headliner right through the front without even folding it up. That'll be sweet. But yeah, man, y'all like, share, comment, subscribe. We'll catch y'all on the next one, man. I got a lot of product review videos coming. a lot of product review videos, some cool ass products, man. Like, so y'all just stay tuned. Y'all make sure y'all check out my product review videos. I got a lot of them coming. It's go time, baby. Let's get it. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Boy, I'm out. Peace. And I'm recording with the GoPro. I ain't recording with the GoPro in a minute. They just sitting on my desk collecting dust. Bubble back, baby. Yes, sir.